Bonjour, bonjour. Comment ça va? Welcome back to my channel French with Pritu. Today, I assure you that if you watch this video till end, you are going to start speaking in French. Yes, that's possible. You just need to follow the instructions carefully and practice till the end. So, are you ready? On y va! Okay, so I am going to first explain how is this class going to work. Okay, so I am going to post a dialogue here. I will read it so that you get an idea how to read those sentences and how to be speaking them. After that, we will do the dialogue together. Yes, you and I, we will practice French together. Fine.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Pluto. Comment tu t'appelles? Bonjour, je m'appelle Swapna. J'habite à Hyderabad. Tu habites où? J'habite à Mumbai. J'ai 36 ans. Tu as quel âge? J'ai 27 ans. Enchanté, au revoir. Enchanté, au revoir.
Now you are going to practice with me. I will be speaking the parts in red and you will speak the parts in white. Okay? Okay. Bonjour, je m'appelle Pritu. Comment tu t'appelles? J'habite à Hyderabad. Tu habites où? J'ai 36 ans. Tu as quel âge? Ok. Enchanté. Au revoir. Well done. Now we will repeat it once more. Okay. Je m'appelle Pritu. Comment tu t'appelles? J'habite à Hyderabad. Tu habites où? J'ai 36 ans. Tu as quel âge? Ok. Enchanté. Au revoir. Well done. I am so proud of you. If you like my videos and you want to practice more French, do subscribe to my channel.